Live from Games Rob Studios comes... Don't press the button! And the star prize tonight is a trip in a hot air balloon and £10,000 in cash. The only rule in this game is deciding whether to press the button or not. Just because we're calling it Don't Press the Button doesn't mean you can't. Okay, this is our first contestant and his name is John. John, come on in. Okay, John, you know the rules. It's whether to press the button or not. We'd say don't press the button, but you decide whether to press it to win the prize or not. Are you ready to go in, John? I'm ready to go in now. I'm going. Oh, so tempting to press the button, but I'm not going to do it.
Go to press it.
No.
Go on, John.
Oh, I really
Press
shouldn't.
the button.
But should
Go
I?
on, John.
I don't know.
Go on,
I'm so
press
confused.
the button.
The button now, press it.
Oh, John, press
The
it.
button, go on,
Go on, press the
John.
button.
Oh no, have I won or have I not won? Don't get it. Oh dear, this don't look good. Oh God, help me. John has lost. Okay, our second contestant is Sondra. Come on in. Now Sondra, are you ready to play?
Yes, I'm definitely ready to play. I'm going in. It's very difficult. I don't know what to do. I think I'm not going to press the button. No. Shall I? What do I do, everyone? I should.
Don't
maybe.
press it. No, don't press it.
Oh, all right, press it. Oh, have I won? I think I've won. What's going on? Have I won or not?
Sondra has lost. And now our third and final contestant. This is Masky Mark. Come on in. Okay, Masky Mark, are you ready for the challenge? Yeah, I'm definitely ready. I've got my strategic plan. I'm not going to press the button. Okay, Mark, go on in. Right, definitely not going to press the button.
Don't press it, Masky.
Oh, it's so tempting to
press
press the
it.
button.
Oh, don't.
Shall I press the button?
Do press it. Go on,
No.
press it. Go
All right,
on,
no,
Masky, press
I'm
it.
definitely not going to press the button. No, I'm not pressing it. Hey, does that mean I've won?
Oh, yeah, go on. Yes. Well done, Masky Mark. Well done, yes, yes.
Masky Mark wins. Do you think you have what it takes to come on in and play Don't Press a Button? And thanks for watching, everybody, all my viewers. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you next week with much, much bigger prizes and much more excitement than ever before. So tune in next week. See you again soon.